Are you looking for more of a country town with some scenery, some trees, maybe that's not so flat in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas? I've got the city just for you. Decatur, Texas. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and my team helps you narrow down where to live in this vast state of Texas. So if you are looking to buy a home and looking for a fantastic real estate agent to help in that regard, or to help you find a home, fill out my dream home questionnaire in the link below. And if you're looking to sell a home in Texas, fill out my Sell My Home questionnaire in the link below to get the exclusive benefits of working with my team. And thank you so much for working with my team, because it helps support this channel so I can get more information and content out to you. Thank you. Decatur, Texas is 40 miles northwest of Fort Worth. And so it's further out, but not so far that you can't go to an event or to the rodeo or to downtown to see a show or, some of those fun things. But if you're looking for a small town environment with more charm, I am in love with Decatur. And if you want more home for your money, Decatur may be the spot too, because they're building some new homes around that $600,000 price point on like 1 or 2 acres. Oh my gosh, you cannot get that in Flower Mound. So Decatur has a population of about 7,500 people, and the community, it's close-knit, and they rally behind their school. So think Friday night football. That would be Decatur. Now, the place to be seen and heard is the downtown historic town square. I love this place. We enjoyed getting fitted for custom hats.
This is called the conformature. It was made in 1870s, 1880s. They quit making them in 1901.
And who doesn't enjoy an old-fashioned candy store? And this courthouse, it really stands out. Well, it's the highest point of elevation in the county. And by the late 1860s, stores and a hotel were established here, and Decatur was part of the Butterfield Overland Mail Route. And in 2021, the square is still hopping. So my husband and I enjoyed this coffee shop. This coffee shop, we walked in and, it's a coffee shop. And there's like 30 beers on tap. And then we walk up to the rooftop dining area and we have these really, really scrumptious sliders. One of the best places we've ever been. So you have to check out this coffee shop when you're in Decatur, Texas. And the town Decatur's a little bit famous.
The saying, "Ater from Decatur," is from the game of craps, rolling the dice.
Yeah, legend has it a guy named Will Cooper was on a train to Virginia and he's rolling the dice and he was saying, "Ater, Decatur," and people say Ater, Decatur all the time now, and they don't even know where the saying comes from. The town has embraced that moniker with a huge mural and dice art. The area around Decatur was once home to an almost 1,000,000-acre cattle operation. Dan Wagner, he built this historic home in 1883, and it looks almost the same today. The Wagner Mansion is one of the most striking architectural remains of the indelible marks left by the cattle empire of the Victorian Texas. Now it's mysterious and spooky. Oh, it's a writer's dream. So the Wagner Mansion, it's privately owned, so we can't sneak a peek. But listen, Hollywood was so impressed with the architecture that they created a replica of it in the 1950s. The movie makers of the movie called Giant, if you haven't seen it, they duplicated the exterior of this building and built a set to make it look just like it Honestly, I've never watched that movie. It's a classic, I hear, but I'll have to go check it out. Now, there's about 3,500 students in the schools of Decatur, and Decatur ranks in the top 30 percentile of test scores in Texas, and the community loves to surround the students of the schools. It's really cool. The high school, it's known for its highly competitive cross-country team, and they also do well in volleyball. And the whole town supports those Friday night football games. The median home price here in Decatur is $350,000, and Decatur is one of the few places you can get a fixer-upper for $150,000, and prices range all the way up to $2.5 million plus. I fell in love with these new homes in Decatur. So Decatur, it's a small town, great family-friendly community vibe that supports the students. So if you're looking for that country town, you may put Decatur on the radar. Are you looking to move up in Texas? Well, you may be saying, Dana, what's the next step? Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether it's a $200,000 home or a $20 million home, the next step is to fill out the appropriate questionnaire at danapollardgroup.com. When you fill out the Dream Home questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me and my team of what you want, both in a home as well as a community. Or if you have a house to sell in Texas, fill out the Sell My House questionnaire so you can learn about the exclusive benefits of listing with me. And after you share your favorite snack and push the submit button, an email will be sent to schedule your consultation call with one of my top amazing real estate experts. And you can also meet me on my Texas Tuesday Zoom call and ask me anything you like about moving up in Texas. This is a live call and attendance is limited, so go right now to danapollardgroup.com to get started.